Dear teachers, this is the way to upload holiday homework or any homework for the students. So open the Campus Care app, enter your credentials. In the dashboard itself, you have this tile assignment. Touch it, then touch the plus symbol, select the assignment type, that would be homework. It's already class-wise. All third language teachers or optional subject teachers, you should use this option student wise so that you can give the concerned student their homeworks. If a subject is applied for the whole class, then class wise is the option. So I am choosing class wise as my subject is computer and it is for the whole class. So the class I am adding is 8A, B, D, and I. These are the four sections for me for computer science class 8. Nothing to do in this schedule date and due date. Write the title. Title format should be class. Then chapter. Okay. Description. Dear students, submit after summer vacation. Okay, touch this image button, which is for the attachment. Choose file, and this is the one. Okay, tick mark. Okay, I have missed selecting the subject. For me, it is computer science. Now the attachment is added. That one inside the little circle is the confirmation of attachment being added. Tick mark. Saved successfully means your attachment assignment is uploaded for the concerned students. Click OK, and as you click OK, you can see it here itself. All right. See here, this one is mine, which I uploaded, and this is the PDF. See, it's uploaded fantastically. All right, I should go back now and stop.